Final video to solve the cannot load Gdrv2 sys driver error on Gigabyte systems. If you're facing this problem while starting your PC or opening Gigabyte apps, stay with me. I will show you the simplest fix. And if you are new here, this is Rexist. First, let me ask you, are you getting this Gdrv2 sys error every time you boot your computer? If yes, then this video is exactly what you need. I know how annoying it feels when a driver fails to load again and again. Now let me explain why this happens. This error appears when the Gigabyte App Center or its drivers are corrupted. Sometimes old files break after a Windows update. Sometimes the driver is missing. And Windows cannot load Gdrv2 sys, so the error keeps showing. Here is one easy solution you can try right now. Open Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features. Uninstall Gigabyte App Center and all Gigabyte utilities. Restart your computer. Now go to the official Gigabyte website. Download the latest App Center and System Information Viewer, SIV. Install them again. For many users, reinstalling these tools fixes the Gdrv2 sys error instantly. If you want a full step-by-step video on the exact trick I used, comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.